Hey everyone, welcome back into the Gargoyles Den. I'm Gargoyle. Today we're going to do a quick restoration of this Light My Firebird from 1970. Looks like somebody really loved this car at one point. It's got sponsor stickers all over both sides of it. Let's go ahead and get it broke apart and see what we got. Bet you've never seen that one before, have you? The only thing we got left to do, drill out the two posts, but we need to get this motor out too. So let's see if this will do it. Otherwise I'll have to drill it out. Yeah, we have to drill it a little bit. A lot of times that'll knock it right out and save yourself the drilling process. Let me grab my drill. A bit of oil on the bit. Is that enough? There we go. Just like that. Take these over to the drill press and get them drilled out. These wheels look like they're in pretty good shape for the most part. So I'm not going to toss this in the step degreaser. I'll just do wire brushing, abrasive balls to clean this up. This I'll toss in the degreaser though. And as you can see, there was no windshield. The windshield was broke out of it, so I have a replacement windshield right here to put back into it. So go ahead and go drill these out and then head over to the regurgitation juice, and we'll be back for the paint job. this is what I came up with. Hope you guys like it. I think it's beautiful. So much so that I'm tempted to keep it, but I've already got one in my collection like this. So this one will be going up on eBay. But yeah, it came out great. I'm happy with it. And that's all I can say for it. It is what it is. It was a simple restoration, and I needed something like that right now. So yeah, it was nice. Anyway, until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.